weather outside. Utah, USA. All the nice weather here. Just stopping by. Some gas and some coffee. Ready to roll. Right. Let's go. Make some money. Make some money. Make some bags. Yes. Let's go, champs. We got our coffee. We got everything. Got everything, right, champs? Coffee or everything. Door. Close the door. Charge up for driving. Charge up for driving. As important, charge up good before driving. Drive very safe, very carefully. The seat belt like solitary confinement. The seat belt. Take the seat belt. Put yourself solitary confinement in your seat belt. Learn from it. Learn from it. Solitary confinement ourselves in the seat belt. Because that's very important, right, champs? Right? Bitches. Solitary confinement in the seat belt. Please. Please. Before I get sad and get mad. Alright. I gotta concentrate driving. Gotta focus driving, okay? The show must continue later. Subscribe to the channel. Like the videos. Subscribe to the channel. Comments to the videos. Hypes. And everything good. Everything all good. Everything positive. We are in this together to try to find ways to relieve our stress in life. Stress therapy, stress reduce, stress reduction, stress reliever, stress buster. How to take away our stress, right? Right, champs? Alright. Show later. Thank you for subscribing. So as that way there, sunshine, nice looking. But on the side, the other corner is storm forming. And the other side is clear, nice, sunshine, peaceful. That's the current weather condition according to the weather forecast by Steve Self-Wellness. Alright. Safety is must first. Very important to put the seat belt like in solitary confinement. Car seat belt, okay? Car seat belt. seatbelt on like solitary confinement for safety. Safety is the first, bitches. Please. It's a weird looking storm forming over there. Yep. It's a weird looking storm about to come down. Hopefully it's a peaceful and nice storm. That's the case here in this area. Let's continue. Back to the show. Hi, we all champs. We reached to the destination for the day safely. Thank goodness. So we're just gonna relax for a bit and say the grace to our heavenly universe, heavenly angels, holy spirits for the protection. Right? How do we do this? Pause for a moment. All right, we're champs. I think we're back to the show. We're back to the show. Let's go explore on the stormy weather over there. Stormy weather situation. Yes. Thank goodness we reached our destination. Thank you for the holy angels for the protection. Holy angels, holy spirits, holy universe. Thank you so much for the protection. As always, we are just here enjoying and just enjoying the gloomy weather that way. I think I see the lightning. But the sunshine this way. Sunshine this way is a, I don't know, it's a multipolar weather. Welcome back to the show, champs. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, and like the videos. Comments, hypes. Right? Look at this multipolar weather. Multipolar weather. Not just by, because there's like a gloomy weather that way. And here is cloudy this way. Cloudy this way. And look, it's nice and sunshine that way. We just thank to our guardian angels as always, and the holy angels and holy universe, holy spirits, holy angels, for always to guide us. Thank you. And as we enjoy our walk and talk, I am hoping that all of us, all of our friends, our champs all over the world, whoever's watching my channel, to have the best of health, physically, mentally, spiritually. As always, protection to our universe and the best blessings as always. That's what we're aiming. We aim for that each day, right? We don't have to be rich. We don't have to have all of the money that we want, that we always want in this world, right? Because we have to pay our bills. We have to pay our bills. That's why we always wanted money. We have bills, right? Especially for underdeveloping countries, we have bills each month. So that's why we're always aiming for the money. So money is not everything, but um, that's the way of us paying our bills, paying our food, paying our whatever other necessary basic needs, most important bills in our every month, right? Daily. That's why I think if if we live in the jungle or in the wilderness, we don't have bills, then we don't need to have the money, the dollar, whatever. But since the society make us pay our bills, then we're aiming for the money, the dollars all the time, right? For our safety. That's the tools for safety, safety tools. Yes, we don't have to be greedy. We don't have to be super greedy, but we needed money, dollar tools for our well-being. As you can see, I'm filming. There's a gloomy, dark weather there. I don't know what's going on. Oh my goodness! Look at that. It's like supernova. Wow! It's a that's a physical, personal supernova looking. Holy angels, guardian angels, protect everybody. Look at those. It's like a big giant storm coming. Yes, that way. But when I swing around this way, look how clear, clear the weather, right? I mean, the clouds is blue, super clear, crystal clear, panoramic view. Wow. And then swing around that way. Look at the sunshine this way. Sunshine. Swing it that way. Sunshine this way. Sunshine that way. Whoa, if you swing around, look at the supernova. Oh my goodness, a big giant dark storm cloud that way. Wow. Feels so honored to have witnessed this weird looking clouds that way. But I'm just gonna ask the protection for my guardian angels, my guardian spirits, holy angels, holy spirits, for the protection while witnessing this. Yeah, look at the lightning. Must be by big giant storm that way. I was just driving that way. I'm just thankful that I'm over that way. I'm here, right here by the sunshine side right now. So it's kind of an advantage. I'm just hoping for protection for everybody that way, praying for the Holy Spirits, Holy Angels for protection for everybody, Holy Universe. But we need a rain or something, but we don't need any nature's calamity, right? Thank you. Thank you so much, Holy Universe, for all the safety and everything for me, for my loved ones, for my family, and for everybody. Um, yeah, I can hear the thunder. I don't know if it's gonna be heard in this video, but um, I'm just here as promised for my guardian angels, guardian spirit, Holy angel, for the thankful, big thanks, and holy prayer. Um, it's been a tough, weeks. Um, there's some sadness in my area, some um acquaintance, some wonderful, gorgeous acquaintance, wonderful beaches. Uh, my Latina beaches, that is wonderful. Fly high, fly high, fly high, muy bonitas. And prayer for you, be in heaven, enjoy in heaven. Um, hoping for the best heavenly life, muy bonitas, muy amor. Poquito Spanish me. I'm from the Philippines. I'm just trying my best to have a little poquito Spanish for my muy bonitas. My mi amors, mi latinas, mi amigas, mi amiga. Thank you for all the friendship. Thank you for the wonderful treatment. And yes, I'm hoping for all my champs for all over the world to have the best in blessings. As always, we are up here. All the prayers for everybody, for the blessings as always. Safety, blessings, prioritize always. Back to the show. As always, our goal is to reduce our stress, our daily life stress, each day, every day, because as much as we deny the people, all our people, the true people, true humans, we have stress every day. We're dealing with different stress, different stressful situation every day. No matter how much we deny, no matter how much we have, we to those hosts delusionals that think like they have perfect lives. That's yes, sometimes there's perfect lives like for a little bit, for a while, but part of humanity is we encounter stress. We encounter stress no matter what. So the goal in our channels is to how to um, reduce stress as much as all cost, right? Reduce stress as much as all cost. Let me just it's getting heavy in my purse. How to reduce the stress is all cost. That's our goal in our little channels. For me, it's been a stressful weeks as um I'm just um I'm just discovering with the stressful days, stressful weeks, that although it's very stressful, but I cannot just I cannot just stay still. I cannot stay still because as I wake up early in the morning, I realize that um, I'm still breathing. My oxygen is still 98 or 100% still. So I realized that I'm my life is still rolling. It's like the film. It's like the movie. The regular life still rolls, still rolling each day, and I realized that I must continue to prioritize. I must continue to prioritize to be safe, to uh, obtain the self-esteem, wellness, prioritize physically, mentally, spiritually, because that's just how the way it is. I think that's just how the way it is. It's a crazy thing, but I was I was so sad for a few days. I stayed in bed for 4 days. Honestly, I was so sad with people that my acquaintance, um, my Latina acquaintance that passed away accidentally. But um, I'm just gonna do my best for um, to continue my grieving, and at the same time do what I can do, whatever, if there's blessings that may come uh, for my friends, and prayers for my uh, friends that pass away accidentally, and thank you for the acquaintance, for the wonderful friendship. Never have uh, never treat me badly. That's the best things. I get so sad when something happen, when it doesn't matter what color, what nationality, what race, as long as um, when another people treat me nice, I consider them my friends, and I try. They, they don't stiff foot on me. I try not to stiff foot on anybody. It doesn't matter what color, what nationality, what's the race, whatever. I'm just here to try to be as neutral, as respectful as possible to those who respect me, and to have a good vibes, right? Good vibes. But yeah, it's a sad situation when there's you know, people that you um physically have, like physically have connections. Yes, they become like your mini family. But um I think I realize what I can do is my only power to help is prayers. Prayers for the goodness of the soul, the spirit, and hoping that they can fly high to the best place ever, better than they are in this planet. But yes, and to all of whoever watch my videos, I wish for the blessings and for the best things in our lives. Yes, best things, blessings. May all of us continue to prioritize for the best of our own selves. It doesn't matter what we have to deal with. We cannot stop doing our best, the best things for ourselves, because if we don't do the best things, the bad things is the other side. So we cannot afford to do that, because no, that's not the best way to go. So life is life. Most of us, life is not the way we want to, but this is how the way we have to deal with each day. So do our best. Do your best, my champs. I pray for all of you. I pray for all of us. May the blessings, yes, I know nobody cheer you. I'm here to cheer. I'm here to cheer for everybody. Prioritize for the best in our lives as always, no matter how suck, no matter how horrible the situation, no matter how down, hopeless. Yes, I've been there. I've been to all of those really bad situations. Yes, but the thing is, whenever there's a good situation, a little bit good situation that comes in my way, I take advantage of it. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that keeps me going. Whenever, whenever positive advantage, whenever positive advantage that came into my way, yes, I took advantage. Just like now, a little positive things that comes into my way, yes, I take advantage. Look, all this breeze is so gorgeous. It's so peaceful. Yes, that's the way to take advantage. It might not be what we want, but that's how the way to take advantage of it. Yes, positive breeze, sunshine, positive clouds. Besides the gloomy, there's a positive clouds over there. You look at the gloomy one right there, but always remember there's a positive one right there also that may come. Yes, that's just how the way, just like life. Just like life, there might be a gloomy, hopeless life that way, gloomy, hopeless life that way. But here is the bright side, the bright side of the clouds. Yes, that's how the way it is. Yes, that's how the way life is. Gloomy life that way. Yes, yes, it seems like there's nothing. But watch for the positive. Yes, that way. There's a positive coming that way. Yes, that's how the way my life. That's how my life is. All right, champs. I think um hopefully everybody will understand and take this video as positive, inspirational video. Positive. Right, let's go here on the positive side. Positive, inspirational videos, right? Okay. Uh, I gotta go now. And as always, hoping that you all champs can subscribe our channel, Esteem Self Wellness, and let's all learn each other how to uh, deal with life stress, how to deal with it in a positive way, how to reduce, how to make a stress therapy on ourselves. Yes, we're in this together. Subscribe and like the videos, comments positively, positive comments highly appreciated, hypes the channel, the videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for all of your subscribe. For the thank you until the next show. Yes, we may all be blessed. Be blessed with the best. Yes, starting today. Safety is number one priority. Yes. The riding in the vehicle, seat belt. Seat belt like you are confining yourself in the solitary confinement. That little limpy seat belt keep us safety, keep us inside the vehicle and uh have a high chance of surviving. Because the reason why I really highlight this, because of the recent situation of my uh, quick acquaintance, friends, amazing Latinas. They were into an accident, but uh, I believe that without seat, didn't uh, some of them didn't put their seat belts on. So please put the seat belts. The one that did put their seat belts, I think they survived. But the one that didn't put their seat belt, uh, they did not survive. So as much as I'm sad and I wish they put their seat belts. Thank you so much. Before I cry, I will end this video. Thank you again.